Elvis and Pam Grier. The man's here. There's no fear, came through with no tears. I don't cry. Matter of fact, I don't lie like a bedside. They tell the truth, then I tell you what it is or what it ain't. Please roll me up another deck, another smoke. Though I see it as the antidote to cure my daily anecdotes. I see my thoughts as adios. Finito, I get New Jerseys like I was a Guido. The ego, gotta be vetoed if you want a free throw. The evil, stay with the scripture, what your mama read you. You gotta build the game, son, I couldn't bottle feed you. This next bar was about to do some logic shit, but now I gotta stop the shit and let me pop my shit. I'ma still head it on, stay positive. All my niggas on my side, on the opposite. Get money from a child and deposit it. Yo, shows got no holes, I acknowledge it. So braggadocious, big six shit is atrocious. Rising like the stocks, not broken. The Shogun came through with no gun, one man. Ichi band, fresh out of Japan, do us like a band. And what I demand is some fucking peace and quiet. Please go to church and please get on the dial.
Shoebox came with the doo-wop. 1 million and 2 cops can't find Tupac. 2 shots, that's 2 grazed in 2 days.
What goes up must come down on Tuesday.
I swear to God, my whole thing been wicked. Tried to keep the peace, but all our peace around is bitches. I see the topic now, but everything you're snitching. If it's allegations, you snitching, then I promise nigga. Thank God for me, all my bitches gon' lie for me. Thank God for me, little G-Wagon, that Tesla cheap. Thank God for me, all my niggas gon' slide for me. All my niggas gon' for me. Nigga, go to hell, you went fed. The white bitch do what I said. You rap niggas stay on your pants. The truth ain't coming out fair. My neck piece looking like pears. Ain't like me and I'm rare. I look down, nigga, that's scared. The right tells me to get buried. You hanging on to it out buried. Move on, nigga, that's clear. Came home, nigga, that's scam. I'm rich and it don't candy. Bitch ass nigga, you fans. IG looking like Bambi. Real life, nigga, don't brand. Big watch, nigga, it's gloss. Quick flex, gotta get off. Get back, nigga, you off. Shoot shine, nigga, keep dancing. Got a lot of really stance. Big feet on my feet. Some cheese on my seat. New lips, really expensive. What's going on? Shit getting tricky out here, my nigga, what's going on? He tell her what's going on. Man, it was supposed to be a secret, but oh God, you niggas lame. Oh God, you niggas shame. Oh God, you niggas ain't gonna do it. Oh God, on the hoe right now, oh God. I'm a fucker in the face, oh God. The American dream.